This is my 1983 Harley Davidson. 1983 Harley, and I just cut the flame right here. Right here. Can you see me right here? I cut it. Cut it right here. Right there. And the bottom part right there. And okay. I don't have any power tool or machine. I just use this thing here. My hand. Cut it here. Okay. And then this for the fence thing, for the fence pipe. The first thing, that's a crazy thing. The old wood, I use the kitchen knife, cut it, and I put it here. Come closer, can you see? And this the pipe from the fence. And you know how I do? This is my shed. I built it by myself, this shed. And I put underneath here. Okay? And I bend it. Make the whole shit up. Whole shit with that. I bend it. Okay? And now become like this. I bend it, become like this. Okay. And why I do this? I put it here, the bottom part, where I can cut it. Right here. Okay. If I only put if I welding like this, not gonna be secure. So I cut a little piece, small pipe, make it and put it in here, and put this one in. Okay, put this one in. That means 3 layers. So I weld it, make sure 100% okay. And I grab another bigger pipe, the same thing, fence pipe, and I bend it the same place, cut it, and I'm gonna weld it to here, and it will look like this. But also this part here, I put another extra piece inside, make sure it hold better, stronger. The same thing this side. The end gonna look like that. And you know the piece over here is connecting over there. I have to take it out. This one, the most harder one for me to take it out. I don't have any like how they call that, burning thing, burn the metal until it, you know, hot enough and take it out. But I don't have that thing, and I use the grinder. I use the grinder. It was connecting there, and I grind all the way, and I almost mess up the whole pipe with it, but I got it out. I get it out. So this piece is gonna be over here. When I weld it back, everything gonna be like this. So I turn Harley into chopper. I'm done.